Hello again and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week, From Scrapes to Success, Kendall's Collision Repair Journey. In Central Virginia, Kendall, a young and ambitious entrepreneur, turned his small garage into a thriving collision repair business. His journey was not a solo endeavor, though. Kendall's initial leap into the world of entrepreneurship was made possible by his entry into a local BNI chapter. His weekly meetings introduced him to local business owners, including an insurance agent, a marketing expert, and a property manager. Each one would prove instrumental in Kendall's success story. The agent started referring clients with auto insurance claims to Kendall's garage. The marketer helped Kendall to hone his brand. And the property manager, owning a fleet of vehicles, became a regular customer. As Kendall's business boomed, he hired his first employee, a young and driven apprentice. Kendall continued leveraging BNI, leading workshops, and taking leadership roles, bolstering his credibility. He was the embodiment of BNI's giver's gain principle, and it paid dividends. He even met the banker that made the loan to expand his business in BNI. Kendall's Collision Repair, DRP, grew over the years from a one-man operation to a team of 24, relocating from the modest garage to an advanced facility with a car rental agency renting space from him. Kendall's vision and journey transcended from being just a local entrepreneur to a symbol of effective networking and entrepreneurial spirit. Despite his success, Kendall remained active in BNI, recognizing the community that gave him a stepping stone towards his remarkable journey.